Hi, today we're going to talk about Advanced Version Management plugin, one of the most important requirements for development teams and system administrators. It gives you ability to effectively manage changes and maintain versions history. With Advanced Version Management, users can track, control, and switch between different versions of process, forms, and scripts with complete confidence. It helps you in easy switching between different versions, full access to version history and change records, ability to restore any previous version, safe testing and deployment without affecting running instances, version management across processes, forms and scripts, version preview and history tracking, changing active version without losing previous versions, visibility into instance status for each version, intelligent transition from older versions to newer ones. Let's start with processes. I choose one of them. I open this in my modeler. Okay. As mentioned before, process versioning allows you to modify a process while ensuring that existing running instances continue to follow the original workflow. For example, imagine a process has already been executed 100 times and 20 instances are currently active. If a task is added and saved as a new version, those 20 running instances will continue using the previous version, while all newly started instances will automatically use the updated version. When saving changes, the system allows you to create a new version and optionally provide a version title and description. When saving changes, the system allows you to create a new version and optionally provide a version title and description. For example, I name this test 1, then publish it. The process version was saved. After publishing, the process is updated and the new version is added to the version history. Use this process, select configure, select version history. As you can see, you can watch this, all of these versions that you did for this process. In the process settings section, this dedicated version history displays version name, description, creation date and time, user who published the version, and complete list of versions available. At any time, you can select previous version and set it as active version. The selected version is automatically copied as a new current version, giving you full control over your process history while preserving all previous versions. The same versioning mechanism is available for forms. For example, we save form as version 1, make change to the form and save it again as version 2. By opening the form setting page and navigating to version history, we can view all saved versions along with their details. The latest version is automatically used when editing or running the form. However, if needed, any previous version can be restored with a single click. Once restored, that version becomes the current active version, while the complete history remains intact. This provides a reliable and transparent way to track form changes, compare versions, and safely roll back whenever necessary. The script versioning works exactly the same way. A script can be published as version 1 modified and then saved again as version 2. Inside the script setting page, the version history tab provides access to available versions, creation dates and time, user information, version description, and version switching capabilities. Version switching capabilities. The latest published version remains active by default by administrations, but administrators can instantly switch back to any previous version whenever required. With advanced version management, you gain complete visibility and control over every change made to processes, forms, and scripts. You can review versions history, identify who made each change, see exactly when it was applied, add version descriptions, switch between versions, and quickly restore a stable release if an issue occurs. This ensures safer deployments, easier troubleshooting, and a more reliable development and maintenance experience across the entire platform.